Thanks for joining.
Hello, sir. My name is Sudeep.
Yeah, hi. Can I show your ID proof before we start?
Yes, sir.
Bit more closer, please. Sudeep Santra. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, 1 second, let me pull up your resume.
Sure, sir.
Great, thank you for waiting. Can you quickly, in just very few lines, just explain about you?
Yes, sir. My name is Sudeep Santra. Basically, I'm from West Bengal, but I can speak Telugu, English, Hindi, and I have started to learn Kannada language as well. And coming to my professional thing, right now I am assigned to work on BILE project, that is Bangalore International Airport Limited. It is a semi company, means semi government company collaborated with Karnataka government and BILE. So what we do is we handle the Bangalore airport operations. So it has, and what the tools which I use is SSIS for developing all the packages and doing incremental load and various things. If we have to derive something, and we will data manipulation basically. And then we are I am into right away into Power BI team. So what we are doing is we are creating some reports such as DAR report, daily airlines report. It contains 7 pages, and some MOCA report like Ministry of Civil Aviations. It also have various pages. So what we are actually doing in that report is DAR report is will contain all the total pax count, means passenger counts, arrival, departure, international, domestic. These all tally total airport stand capacity. Then baggage, baggage performance, means those baggage cargo will be there na. It has to reach the customer through the belt before 20 minutes, or else it is means a negative for us. So we'll maintain at a 90%, means 90% of the baggage should be arrived to its owner within 20 minutes. So these are the first page, and then we have 2 terminals in T1 and T2, and second and third page will be bifurcation of this T1 and T2, and next page will be e-logs and comments, like some passenger sir, I cannot hear you.
I'm sorry. So you have given a very detailed explanation. You have given a short period of time. We cannot, we cannot allocate more time on this. So more than enough. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So SSIS, how much you rate yourself out of 5?
Sir, like 4.
4. So you're primarily into SSIS, right? Mostly.
Yes, sir.
SQL Server and SSIS.
Yes, sir. SSIS and Power BI. SQL Server also. Means for.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Power BI, how much? So which is primary? SSIS or Power BI? Which is your primary skill?
Sir, I cannot compare SSIS and Power BI. I'll take both. Means we are jumping
together.
To.
Same rating.
Yes, sir.
I can hear some background noise. Can you please make sure it is calm in your...
Sir, these are airlines, means air flights.
Okay, near your room, near your location. Okay. Okay, you are doing project directly in the client side.
Yes, sir. Very close to clients. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you. No problem then. So let's say I have a package, which is running for set up and running for a long time. Which is loading a target table. Let's say one day it is failing for integer loading. We're trying to load an integer column. It is failing. The error says arithmetic overflow error. So what will be the possible reason for this failure? And then what is the possible solution you will apply?
Arithmetic error.
Arithmetic overflow error.
Okay. So means this is a mathematical error, sir. and we will check the error which we have configured error output configuration. There I will see what happened, which rows are not inserted. So there I will see whether any mathematical logical errors are happening or not, and then I will go back, and we can parallelly see the logging files also, this information on error. Then from there I will try to analyze the correct logic and I'll put back.
When you see the log files and all, that will again show the error what I showed, what I told you. If you go inside the log, that log there also it will mention arithmetic overflow error.
Okay, sir.
Column I told integer column.
Okay, sir.
That's what SSIS can give you.
Okay, sir.
And let's say the error, you have not configured anything for that error. In that case, how will you fix that?
Okay. I have to, sir, think about that. Means.
Okay. Let's say 3 execute tasks I am having connected each other, one followed by the other. Task number 1, 2, 3. Task 2 may fail at any time. It may succeed or it may fail. But in terms of failing task 2 failure, I don't want the entire package to stop. The package should, after running the first one, it should go to, if 2 fails, it should go to 3. Don't exit the package reporting failure. How will you configure this?
So same thing which I had told. If you do not want the failure of the second one impact all the packet, so what I will do is I will I will configure the error output, and I will take a flat file, or suppose a flat file, and I will
no, which task I told?
execute SQL task.
Okay, so you are saying that you are going to redirect and execute the, take the error and store in the flat file?
So 3 execute files are there, and
Yes.
I have to resume it from there or just skip it?
No, just if it is failure, just skip it. If it is not failure, just run it.
Sir, on this one I haven't done yet, sir.
Okay, under which category the execute task are coming in SSIS design? Where this
Control level
task can be located? Control level or data flow level?
Sir, execute SQL task is in control level.
Control level, okay. Okay, let's say I have another requirement with there is a folder is there. Every day the files will come, many files will come. Let's say yesterday it was 20, 50, 60 files. Today we are receiving 50 files. Tomorrow it become 40 files. My task is to read all the files and load to the target table. How will you achieve that?
Okay, sir.
All files are in same type.
Same folder.
Same folder, same type.
Okay, sir. I will use one lookup transformation and
sorry, which transformation?
Okay, just here means out of the box I will use a for each loop container, and I will go inside it and configure it, and I will take the for each file enumerator, and then I will like to give, okay, before that I will give one I will create one variable, the folder path, and I will give it as a string, and I will give it you copy the path and I will put there, and then I will go to for each loop container and then take the directory and put the folder path dynamically there, so that it is not static, and then
okay, great. So let's say after loading the files, all those files, I need to move those files to some other archive directory, archive folder. How will you do that?
Sir, for that we have another enumerator for each. So for one task is there. I'm not getting that name, but I will configure it, and then after that it will archive, and if we want to change the name.
So you are telling this out of the box, without practical hands-on, you are telling out of your own knowledge whatever you learned about it, right? No hands-on on this?
No, sir. We are doing basically the incremental loads, and we are pushing the reports into.
Let's say the procedure in your project which needs input, at least compulsory to input parameters. How will you call this procedure in the SSIS package?
Sorry, sir.
SQL procedure. We are going to call SQL procedure. That's it.
Okay.
SQL store procedure. How will you call a SQL procedure?
In SSIS.
SSIS.
Sir, just like means what I'll take one DFT inside. I will take one.
Do you really need a go for DFT and configure everything to execute a procedure?
Then sir, I will take a one execute SQL task, and there I will give the connection, and there I will just execute like procedure name execute from, like that I will do it, and it will come.
Execute procedure from.
Execute procedure. That's it. And if
Okay. What are all the versions of SSIS you worked on, Pradeep? Sorry, Sudeep.
2017, 2019.
If you compare these two versions, hello, I lost your camera, I lost your video.
Yes,
hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
I cannot see you.
I'm here, sir.
Please make sure you have a stable connection. Now I can see you.
Okay, sir.
Yes. When you compare these two versions of SSIS, do you see anything new, at least in the terms of task? What are any new tasks you see in the latest 2019 version? Can you name any one or two tasks?
Sir, like means it is more handy, sir. 2019 one is very handy. Before that, for
When you say handy, handy.
Yes, sir. Sir, before that we need to install everything manually, like SSIS integration, SSRS integration. Now we have extension that directly we can pull that and install.
Correct, but my question is SSIS only I'm asking. When you open 2017 in one window, 2019 in one window, when you open the bits environment, what difference you see overall? At least look and feel wise. Any new tasks are there? No transformations are there in the 2019?
Sir, almost similar only.
No, nothing new.
Maybe, but I haven't that much knowledge.
You have not explored, you have not used it. Okay. Okay, let's say I am having today my package is running. It is passing 10,000 records. Okay? The table is always, let's say in our case, truncate and reload every day. While it is loading 8,000 records, there is some failure. It may be a network problem or some other problem. It failed. The package failed. That's all. How many records you will see in the table? Will it be empty table, or it will be loaded with 8,000 records, or what?
Sir, it depends upon whether a transaction is activated or not. If suppose simple thing is there, 8,000 records were there and it failed, then I think if transaction is allowed, then 0 records, and if transaction is not allowed, checkpoint is like kept, then 8,000 records, and from there it will resume again.
Okay. Okay. In incremental load, what is the recent challenge you faced? Just to make it bit short, not make it very big detail. Just shortly, can you explain the challenge and how you fixed it?
Sir, sometimes the record size is very big, and we also have.
Let us say record size. Is it a what size? Is it a column size or a text size or what?
Sir,
total number of records.
The size is like more than 800 MBs to up to 1.3 GB. Means the record is very.
When you say the size again, no, sorry to interrupt. Is it a file size or what size?
File size, sir.
File size. Okay, you say record, no? I'm thinking in a different way. Are you referring to total records or one particular column has more size?
No, sir.
Something I was thinking in that way. Okay, if you are receiving a large file, what is the problem?
Sir, means it is sometimes various errors are coming, and means I want to break that into simple parallel packages like batches I want to install. So, and then some unexpected errors will come, like truncation errors will come and everything. So we will fix it, and instead of because our reference data set is also very big, so we cannot do the full cache. So here I'm using partial cache because so that it is
where you use partial cache,
sir, when
where you are referring,
when my reference set is very big, but in that I just need only some records I need to refer. So for that only I will just do the partial cache, and it will go.
That is what partial cache. Where you set? Where you set?
In lookup transformation.
Okay. In that way you will overcome this problem.
Yes.
If you don't set the partial cache, your package will end up hanging, or what will happen?
It will run slow, sir, and means if I'll do no cache total, then it will take more than one night. Means there are so many packages.
Okay, is lookup match you are referencing, no? Is that case sensitive or not? Is that case sensitive? I'm asking.
Sir, in the query.
Let's say you're matching a country column, reference column. Let's say you are having list of states. In one table and reference to list of states. Let's say in your reference table, all the states' names are in small letter. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Telangana, whatever. Here you are getting initial capital. Telangana T capital, Andhra A capital, Kerala K capital.
Sir,
when the lookup will match, consider or it will ignore.
It will match.
It will fail.
It will match, sir.
Okay. Okay, now let's say I have Excel file with 5 different country sheet. India, US, UK, China, Russia. I need to load this into the 5 different target tables. One Excel file, 5 sheets, 5 different tables. How will you achieve? What is the simple design, SSIS design you will create to achieve this?
Okay, sir. Sir, at the back in the database, I will already I might have that table name with structure with country names. So here, and now I will take one script task, and I'll take 5 data flow tasks, and in there I will connect, and in the connection
also we have to write some code, right? I don't want to write any code. With SSIS default functionality, I need to just simple drag and drop.
Then, sir, if conditional split I am allowed to use, then I will just use the conditional. If the
I did not mention any condition. You are allowed to use anything. Okay. I need a simple design.
Flat files that AODB dot that source will be there in there.
Okay, just don't need to go in more detail. Just first file. You are saying you are going to use conditional split, right?
Yes, sir.
What about multicast?
Yes, sir. Multicast also we can do, sir. There, but we need to give.
What is the difference then? Then what is the difference between these two?
Yes, sir. Conditional will check the condition, means whatever name is there. If I want to check this name is equal to that name, then only. Multicast, I think it will just make a copy of things like total data set, Excel file, flat file, like that.
Then are you sure then multicast, using multicast will correctly take the India data and put in the India table, and UK data put in the UK table? Are you sure?
Before that we have
multicast will work?
No, sir. On top of it, we need one more tool which will decide where the data.
What is the data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then do you think is it meaningful to use multicast?
No, sir.
In this scenario,
I will just use a conditional split.
Coming to SQL, can you compare dense and rank function?
Yes, sir. Sir, dense rank function is like it will. Hello, sir. Net. Hello.
Yes, I'm here. Please proceed. I'm listening.
Sir, it will give the ranking without a gap. Then dense rank function.
Which one?
Dense rank.
Okay. One small example.
Suppose there are repetition of salaries and I want to partition it with the department. So suppose the first salary in the first HR department is 50,000, second also 50,000, and then suppose 40,000. So what it will do, it will give first rank, then again it will give first rank because both are same, and next rank the salary is changing now, it will give the second rank, means it will not skip to third rank.
Okay. What about CTE? When we go for CTE in SQL?
Yes, sir. Whenever we want to do some complex calculation and some aggregations, everything is there. So we want to do it separately, and we will go, we will do it in CT and we'll take it back into the select statement. It is handy.
What is the limitation of using that?
It is only applicable for only that select statement where it is mentioned, and other thing, other scope outside it is has no scope.
Okay. Okay. So let's say I have a SQL server destination. Okay. No, in the different question. Let's say you are a developer, right? While developing the package, you want to know how many records are passed in between each and every task. Let's say from source to destination, there are 10 tasks in between. Is there any possibility you can see how many records? When I say record, full detail of all the records, how many records, what are the value?
Audit table we have to create.
Is it possible? Audit table means?
Means,
how do you do that?
Like one more table will be there, row transformation tool will be there, how many it is passing, and then I would like to put the names and detail everything.
Correct, but that is at the end of the day it will load, right, the row count.
You want to see on the fly?
In middle, while running on the file, on the fly. Yes.
We can check the, we can on the data viewer, right click in the connection string, and we can check, it will show on the fly only.
On the fly, okay. Okay, in SQL Server, is there any way, let's say I have a database with 500 tables. So 80 dimension, 20 facts. With very, without less effort. Without, I don't want to query anything. Is there any possibility I can see entire row counts for all the tables?
All the tables. You want to like
records, total number of records. I need to see all the tables.
Yes,
all the tables.
We can select star from system.schema.
No. If you listen my question, I told you I don't want to query anything. Is there any way Management Studio allows me to see the entire table counts? The row counts in the table?
Sir, in the left side we can go right side and design, and we can, if like that manually you want to go.
Tell me how to do manually. Without, I don't want to query.
Okay,
any other approach? Yeah.
Sir, left side.
Tables are there, database tables are there.
I will open it and right click, and I will check the design. And
for how many tables?
Okay, sir. So that
you are saying one by one you will go and see?
So then I will do it on database level, sir. Means on the database.
Okay, database.
Right click, I will, sir, means There some options will be there. I will do it and I will check it.
But that option, some options you are saying, but that some option end of the day, will it give the entire row count for all the 100 tables in one screen?
You want
Is it
summation
possible?
of all the rows, like 50, 30, 80, like to.
Yeah, 100 tables. No, I want each table, how many rows?
Sorry, sir. I may not.
Right. Okay, then I lost your camera again. Anyway, we are at the end of the call now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sudhi, for joining. The team will update you on further status. Till then, I can wish you all the best and good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.